It's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads